In this short video tutorial, we will save the working file and make a copy of a compressed file to submit digitally. A working file is one that maintains all of the layers and effects created from the software and can be modified later. Once you've completed the rendering, save the working file one more time as a .psd Photoshop document. Be sure your last name and a description of the project is on the file name, and if you have multiple versions of the same project, it is also a good idea to date each file. You next need to create a compressed copy of this working file. To do this, go to the File pull-down menu to Save As. Keep the same file name, but change the file type to a .jpg file. Save the compression quality between 8 and 12. And don't worry, a JPEG file will not copy over your PSD working file. These are two separate files. Archive the PSD file for your own records. Submit the JPEG file for assignment credit to Canvas. And remember, the JPEG file is the file that you would email or post to a website or transmit any other way electronically. And just remember, this file is a lot more difficult for a person with nefarious intentions to modify because all of the layers have been flattened.